Hi everyone! With evolution of YouTube, there's a huge selection of online tutorials for enthusiastic artists like me. Animation tutorial class is the only class that I join, and I can say that I really learn a lot in her style of teachings. I will write down the link for her online school and her website for you to check, and who knows, you might like it too. In the coming series of animation tutorial paintings that I painted, I will be sharing my final output and short clips on how I do it. Anna provided the layout of the subject, the colors to be used, the particular brushes we need, and step-by-step guides with videos for the students to catch up with the school project. I give credits to animation tutorial class for all of these. I just execute her instruction for us to come out with our school project. So with regards to these dahlias, I bought animation book, and this is the Modern Flower Painter by Anna Mason. So in her book, there's a lot of information that you can see and follow, all the brushes, all the techniques, and some of the instruction. One of the flower illustration here is the Dahlia, and there's a step-by-step instruction here. So what I did is I followed the instruction to come out with my final painting. Anna Mason published two books, the Modern Flower Painter and the Watercolour World. I recommended to all of you to see this book because you will benefit if you are a watercolor artist or enthusiastic. This is a very good book because she detailed all the materials, all her techniques. I give credits to Anna Mason tutorial class for all of this. I just execute her instruction on the books and on the school tutorials for me to come out with my finished project. So I hope you like it and enjoy watching my videos, and if you like my arts videos, please subscribe to my channel to support my arts journey. Thanks everyone, and bye.